The global economy is at a crossroads, and the outlook for the future is uncertain. A turbulent landscape awaits us. As we delve into the World Economic Outlook for October 2025, we find a world in flux, with growth prospects dimming. But here's where it gets intriguing. Despite some positive signs, the overall picture remains challenging. The near-term forecast offers a glimmer of hope, with a modest revision upwards. However, global growth continues to be subdued, and the impact of new policies is yet to fully materialize. The economy is adapting to a new reality shaped by these policy measures, and the journey ahead is far from smooth. A reshaped landscape. The global economy has undergone a significant transformation. While some extreme tariff measures have been mitigated through deals and resets, the environment remains volatile. Temporary factors that boosted activity earlier in 2025 are now fading, leaving a sense of uncertainty. According to the latest World Economic Outlook, WEO, global growth projections have been revised upwards compared to the April 2025 WEO. Yet, they still represent a downward revision from pre-policy shift forecasts. Global growth is expected to slow down, with a projected rate of 3.3% in 2024, dropping to 3.2% in 2025, and further to 3.1% in 2026. Advanced economies are predicted to grow around 1.5%, while emerging market and developing economies are expected to surpass 4%. Inflation is projected to decline globally, but with variations across countries. The United States, for instance, faces inflation above the target, with risks leaning towards an upward trajectory. Risks and challenges. The risks are predominantly tilted towards the downside. Prolonged uncertainty, an escalation of protectionist measures, and potential labor supply shocks could further hinder growth. Fiscal vulnerabilities, potential financial market corrections, and the erosion of institutions pose threats to stability. It's a delicate balance, and policymakers must navigate these challenges with caution. Policy recommendations. Policymakers are urged to take decisive action. They should aim to restore confidence through credible, transparent, and sustainable policies. Trade diplomacy should go hand in hand with macroeconomic adjustments. Fiscal buffers need rebuilding, and central bank independence must be preserved. Efforts on structural reforms should be intensified. As highlighted in Chapter 2, past actions to improve policy frameworks have proven beneficial. Chapter 3 also emphasizes the potential role of industrial policy, but it cautions against overlooking opportunity costs and trade-offs. Chapter breakdown. Chapter 1, Global Prospects and Policies. Here, we explore the challenges of a world adjusting to increased protectionism and fragmentation. Global growth is expected to slow, and inflation remains a concern in certain countries. The chapter emphasizes the need for policymakers to navigate this turbulent environment with credible policies. Chapter 2, Emerging Market Resilience. Emerging markets have demonstrated resilience to risk-off shocks. This resilience is attributed to both favorable external conditions and improvements in policy frameworks. Looking ahead, countries with robust policy frameworks are better equipped to handle risk-off episodes. Chapter 3, Industrial Policy. This chapter delves into the increasing use of industrial policy to reshape economies. While industrial policies can boost productivity and resilience, they also present trade-offs and potential negative spillovers. Effective implementation requires careful consideration and strong institutional support. Conclusion. The World Economic Outlook for October 2025 presents a complex and evolving global economic landscape. While there are signs of improvement, the challenges are significant. Policymakers face a delicate task of steering their economies through this flux, and their decisions will shape the future. And this is the part most people miss, the potential for controversy and differing opinions. What do you think? Should policymakers prioritize certain strategies over others? How can we ensure a balanced approach to navigate these economic challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's spark a discussion on these critical issues.